In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a free website with Ecwid using the tools and features available in 2025. Creating a website can seem daunting, but with these simple steps, you'll see how easy and manageable it can be even with no prior experience. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the Ecwid control panel. This will be your central hub for managing everything related to your website and online store. Navigating there is simple. Just go to the Ecwid website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where you'll have access to all the features you need to get started. The next thing we want to do is click on the Website tab in the control panel. This is where you'll be setting up your free site. Clicking on this will direct you to the page containing options for your site's configuration and construction. It's designed to be user-friendly and cater to all the main aspects of your website. Now that you've accessed your website options, the next step is to click on Online Store to view your store. This feature allows you to visualize what your customers will see once they visit your site. It's crucial to understand how your layout and product displays will appear, ensuring that visitors have an intuitive and enjoyable browsing experience. Once you've got a feel for the look of your online store, it's time to move on to customization. Click on Site Appearance. This section allows you to edit and customize your site's appearance to match your brand's identity. From choosing color schemes to selecting fonts, there are various tools here to help personalize the aesthetics of your site to reflect your unique style. Next, you'll want to fine-tune the specifics of what information is displayed on your website. By clicking on Site Content, you can edit and manage the actual content that appears on your pages, so make sure the information is accurate and appealing to your target audience. This could include product descriptions, business information, and any other content you wish to include. Lastly, we get to the point of customizing your website's URL and other technical specifics. Under the Site Address section, you have the control to edit your website's URL. This is crucial for branding and memorability, making it easy for your customers to find you online. Additionally, you'll find more options here to further refine your site's details, ensuring everything is set up just the way you want it. With these steps completed, you're well on your way to having a functional and visually appealing free website with Ecwid. Once you've made all these customizations, don't forget to save your changes. Now you're ready to start welcoming visitors to your new online space. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial